How to delete your account on Gardenscapes game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Gardenscapes account step by step. So if you're ready to remove your account, follow along and let's get started. So first, open the Gardenscapes app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are inside the game, simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. And this will redirect you to the settings menu. Now here on the settings menu, you can see the I button at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on that. And now in the information panel, you will see the delete account option. So simply tap on that and carefully read the terms and conditions. And if you agree, simply tap on delete account again and you will be asked to type OK in capital letters to confirm. Simply enter OK and press confirm. And once completed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And if you change your mind, you can cancel the deletion within a short window by tapping on the cancellation option. Otherwise, your account will be permanently removed. And that's it. Your Gardenscapes account is now deleted. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.